Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to hide Twitter replies. So basically, in order to hide Twitter replies, before you do anything, just go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, double check if your X needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. So I'm going to just demonstrate real quick how it's done so I can update the app. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and open up the Twitter app. In order to hide comments, we need to post something on Twitter, alright, or post a tweet. So basically, after you tweet, you're gonna see right here the comments and everything. Click on the specific comment, you're gonna see next to it like a 3 dots, and you're gonna be able to see a hide replies, and you're gonna be able to see it. And if you want more demonstration, just go ahead right here and type just in Google, or let me just type in Google hide Twitter replies, right? Basically, you're gonna be able to see it right here, okay? Basically, you had you tweeted something and someone just mentioned you or something. Just go ahead and click the 3 dots next to their username or their name, and you're gonna be able to see hide reply and confirm that you want to hide that reply. If you want to block them along the way, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just hide the reply right away. Okay, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you.